Welcome back to Music Theory in the Car, and we're going to spell the C sharp major 7th chord. So let's follow our procedure. First of all, we need to know the stack of thirds, so we're using face GBD, starting on C, C, E, G, B. There are our notes. Now we need the key signature. Pretty easy. Key is C sharp. Everything is sharp. Spell the chord out loud. C sharp, E sharp, G sharp, B sharp. Then we're going to play it. C sharp, E sharp, G sharp, B sharp, G sharp, E sharp, C sharp. Very good. So I would suggest when you're practicing your chords, you do them in ascending chromatic order. So like C, C sharp, D, E flat, E, etc. Because the C, for example, C and the C sharp, they share the same letter names. C, E, G, B, and C sharp, E sharp, G sharp, B sharp. It'll be quicker.